Hi guys, welcome to my LORENTIX channel. Today I'm going to bake a lemon cake, an old recipe from 2014 from my channel. Here I have 1 stick of melted butter. I will add 1 cup or less of sugar. Mine is organic brown sugar. Mix well. Now I will add little by little 2 cups of 1/4 of flour. Mix. I'm gonna be adding 1 lemon zest. Mix well. I'm adding the juice of 1 lemon. Mix. And I will add 1 whole egg. And 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix well. And finally, I'm gonna add 1 cup of milk, any milk that you prefer. You can use a hand blender, regular blender, or any kitchen gadget, okay? I will use only my hand today and my arm. Look how the consistency is. I'm gonna be adding more lemon zest because I love to feel the flavor in a little tiny pieces of and make it look nice. This is the perfect consistency as a regular rock cake. And I'm going to grease my mold with butter and then with flour. Now we will pour the lemon cake mixture. I have the oven preheating and we are going to bake this at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. When this is inflated, place aluminum foil on top to prevent excessive browning. Time has passed and stick a knife in, and if it comes out clean, it's done. And guys, this is my lemon cake. It looks perfect and spongy. I take a piece of this lemon cake and I'm gonna try. Wow, it's delicious, fluffy, and you can feel the lemon flavor. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. If you are new today, thumbs up, follow me on my social media. And this piece is for Candy, my cututuliare. She's my partner in crime every Wednesdays in my recipes for you guys. But she has her own videos every Saturday. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.